What are WordPress widgets? Widgets are small, self-contained blocks of content that can customize to suit the needs of any website. They are highly customizable and make it easy for visitors to see what kind of content exists on your site without having to explore every page. WordPress widgets are a common way for bloggers and web admins to add additional content quickly and easily without editing a theme's code or HTML. You can use them to display your latest blog posts or articles, recent comments, and tweets. Widgets also help you customize the appearance of your site by changing the layout of your sidebar or footer regions. 5 reasons why you should start using WordPress widgets right now. The WordPress widgets are a powerful tool to help you get the most out of your site. They are used to add features like text boxes, slideshows, video players, and more. Widgets make your site more interactive and exciting for your visitors. They allow you to keep up with the latest trends in web design effortlessly. You can easily change the color scheme of your site without touching code. You can use them for any purpose, from displaying popular posts to promoting your products. Widgets are available on WordPress.com or through plugins you download on WordPress.org. WordPress widgets are small, modular pieces of a WordPress site that allow the site builder to customize the user experience of their website easily. Widgets are available in the dashboard and from the appearance menu. They are placed in sidebar areas or on a page using drag and drop, or you can add them to the customized widgets screen by dragging them into position on a grid. This is an excellent way for users to add customized content to their website without writing custom code.